Good morning, children. I hope you all are taking care of yourself and your family. Stay at home. Please take care of yourself. Okay, fine. Now, today we'll be doing a poem. The name of the poem is The Bridge Builder. And this poem is written by Will Allen Drumgold. Now, as the name says, the bridge builder, of course, it must be talking about a person who builds a bridge. But was it the same person who used to bridge the build, like was his profession of building the bridges? Let's see what's there in the poem. First, let's read these green lines. As a wise person said, without a sense of caring, there can be no sense of community. This is actually clearly visible in these days. We people are caring for each other and together we make a community. Here's an inspiring poem about a person who truly cares for others. Now, this poem is something about somebody who is a caring person for others. An old man going a lone highway. Alone means where nobody was going along. Yes, on that highway, this old man was walking alone. Came at the evening cold and grey. He came at the evening means he kept walking, and with the passage of time, the daytime reached to evening. It was cold. Cold means it is talking about winter days. And what's grey? Grey is the time when it is not so clearly visible after the sunset and before the fall of night. That time it is called as grey. Where did he came? To a chasm, vast and deep and wide. What was this? What is a chasm? Chasm is a opening, beta. It's a wide opening, and he came to that opening. Fine. What did he found there? That actually it was vast means it was big. It was wide and deep as well. So length and breadth, both wise it was huge. Through which was flowing a sullen tide. What is the meaning of sullen tide? Sullen, something we can say dirt and all. And tide means something which is coming with a huge flow. Fine. So out of this opening, what was flowing? Some dirty water. Some dirty water was flowing from that opening. The old man crossed in the twilight dim. Twilight is the time after the sunset and before the fall of night. So of course, the twilight dim means the things were not clearly visible. It was dim light. The sullen tide had no fear for him. This tide which was flowing away, it seemed as though this tide was not afraid of this man, right? But he turned. He turned means when? When did he turn? When safe on other side. When this man actually crossed this area and he reached the other side, he turned back. Why? Because he wanted to build a bridge to span the tide. Span the tide means he wanted that tide not to create problem for others. He want to actually, you can say, beta, he want to just tie up that tide within that space so that it could not create trouble for the others who would be following him. So he wanted to make a bridge over that tide. So people don't have to cross that tide. They can cross that tide over the bridge. Old man said a fellow pilgrim near. Pilgrim? Pilgrim is the traveler. Fine. A fellow means who is coming after you. There was a fellow pilgrim who was there nearby, and that man said, "Look, old man, you're wasting your strength with building here." That pilgrim, that traveler said, "Why are you building this bridge? Come on, you're wasting your strength by building this bridge. Your journey will end with the ending day. Now you have crossed this area of chasm and sullen tide. Your journey will definitely end with the end of this day. And you never pass. You will never pass again this way. That man was trying to poison the ears of that man. That why are you building the bridge? You have done your work. You have crossed this area. Why are you building this bridge? Why build this bridge? You have crossed the chasm deep and wide. Why build this bridge at evening tide? You've already crossed. So why are you building this bridge? So look what was his reply. The builder lifted his old grey head. Grey, white hairs. Yes, when they are white hairs, it is called as grey head. Fine, children? So he was old means his age was too much. He was quite old enough. He had white hair. So white hair and old. So we can picturize how this man would be looking. The builder lifted his old grey head. Why he lifted, children? Because while he was building the bridge, of course you have to bend a little. Yes? And then only you can do the work. So just to give the reply to that traveler, he lifted his head. Good friend, in the path I have come, he said, the path that I have crossed just now, they have followed after me today. There must be people who would be following me. Yes, who would be following after me today. A youth whose feet must pass this way. You never know. There must be some youth who would be passing this way after me. This chasm, you can say opening, that has been as not to me has been nothing for me. This opening has been nothing for me, but I'm just caring about the people who would be coming after me. To that fair-haired youth may a pitfall be. He said there must be a youth who would be coming, who would be having a fair hair. Yes. May a pitfall be means, what is the meaning of pitfall? A danger, right? This opening could be dangerous. So that's why I'm just thinking about those people. He too must cross in the twilight dim. It could be possible that the person would not be traveling only during day, might be traveling during this time, like I'm traveling right now in the twilight dim, in the dim twilight. Yes. So good friend means, he was saying to traveler, good friend, I'm building this bridge for him. I'm not building for me. You are saying that, okay, I have passed why I am building. I'm not building for myself. I know I won't be going again this way, but I'm making it for others. So that was a sweet poem which tells that we should care for others. We should not keep thinking for ourselves. We should not be selfish. Sometimes you would have heard this, as you sow, so shall you reap. What does that mean? The way you would give to the nature will revert you back in the same manner. So children, keep giving like the promises you made to me. Yes, keep caring for others. Thank you and have a nice day.